Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fast and fun video, we're just going to make some really cute little chocolates for Halloween. I've got a simple mold here. It was about $5, and in this video we're going to make it super simple. We're just going to create solid little chocolate bars. And here I have some dark chocolate, and this chocolate is tempered, but it will work with non-tempered chocolate as well. And with these molds, you don't have to go all the way to the top. You can make them thin or thick. I'm just going to give it a little tap. Tapping equalizes everything, and it also brings the air bubbles to the top of the chocolate. You can see little air bubbles there. Make sure I'm on camera. I'm going to go a little bit more. I think that looks pretty good. And we've got our little bones. The spatula works pretty well cleaning up the edges here. One more little tap. And then I'm just going to let those set, and we're going to come back in a few hours and we'll pop them out. So really fast, simple little tutorial. So here we are again. This is about 3 hours later. Our chocolate has nicely set up, and then we're just going to turn it over and give it a little whack. Look at that. Perfect. So look at that. That really inexpensive mold created some really fun little chocolates for Halloween. So I put a couple in my hand here just to show you what they look like. A little closer up. Where are we? There we go. So yeah, kind of fun. So if you do have children, this is a great inexpensive way to use a little bit of chocolate and have some fun. So there we go. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and that's it. And I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.